Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you how to use Mailchimp email templates. First, when you log in into your Mailchimp account, you will be faced with this dashboard. Now, for templates, you will have many to be used. Unless you have the free version, the library is widely big and large, and you will have many options to pick from. Otherwise, if you do have the free version, then your library is quite very small and you only have few things to pick. Let me show you first the template that we have. So here we have the templates. After clicking on view all templates, you will view every single template after the page loads. As you can see, we can choose the purpose of the email and we will have everything or every design that suits one of these purposes. For example, I have an announcement to be made. I can choose the template of announcements and there you go. This is something that you can use as an announcement. For example, like a birthday announcement or a party announcement. We have a lot of things to pick from, I mean. So here, for example, I have a thank you message. I can choose a template that says thank you. So here, thank you. And as you can see, thank you, thank you. So there is many of these templates we can use. Now, how can we edit them? Let me just remove the selection. And once I have done that, I can choose one of these free template that I have here. Otherwise, you can choose the premium ones. I will choose this one, which is the minimal. And as you can see on the left, I will have blocks to choose. So here I have blocks that you can add and drag. So drag and drop in here. For example, I have heading, I can drag it and put it right here. I have paragraph, button, divider, spacer, image, and much more. You can use all of these to make your template and make it look better. Once you have done your templates and basically your creativity is made and you match the theme of your idea, then click on save and your template is ready to go. Thank you guys and see you in the next video.